Ma'am? Ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am. Ma'am, are you there? Now how I can attend my online classes? I can't even concentrate without the headphones. I'm a consumer. I recently brought headphones for my online classes. But I got the defective one. The next day, I went to the shop to return it. But the shopkeeper refused to take it back because I did not collect the receipt and warranty card while purchasing this.
Taking advantage of consumers in an unfair way is known as consumer exploitation. Consumers in India are exploited in many ways, such as high prices, non-availability of goods, adulteration, hoarding, black marketing, deceptive and misleading selling techniques, false warranties.
सवेरा दी कोई चीज खरीदो उसे ठीक से जांचो परखो लगे कुछ ताल में काला दुकानदार हो धोखे वाला जानो अपने अधिकारों को अपने हक पहचानो बेईमानों को सबक सिखाओ ग्राहक अब तो जागो ग्राहक जागो जागो ग्राहक जागो जागो ग्राहक जागो
Every year, 24th December is celebrated as National Consumer Day, with a specific theme in India. On this day, Consumer Protection Act 1986 had received the assent of the President. The enactment of this act is considered a historic milestone in the consumer movement. Every year, National Consumer Day is celebrated to aware consumers regarding their rights and responsibilities.
The Consumer Protection Division has mandated to implement the Consumer Protection Act 1986 and Consumer Protection 1987. It is entrusted with the framing of policy related to the interests of consumers, particularly those grievances arising in post-sale of goods and services. As a consumer, are you aware of consumer rights? Right to safety, right to be informed, right to choose, right to be heard, right to seek redressal.
Besides these rights, the consumers have some responsibilities. Obtain full information about the quality of goods. Be careful about false and misleading advertisements. Purchase the goods which has quality marks like ISI and UGMARK. Consumers should not pay more than MRP. Jago Grahak Jago.
The consumer movement in India has led to the formation of various organizations locally known as consumer forums or consumer protection councils. The consumer courts are special courts in India which deals with cases regarding consumer disputes, conflicts and grievances. They guide people how to file cases in the consumer court and bring an awareness among the people about consumer rights. The ultimate responsibility of the consumer court is to solve and decrease consumer disputes and maintain fair practices. Jago Grahak Jago.
As consumers, we have so much power to change the world by just being careful in what we buy. Consumers get exploited in many ways through the more dominating and knowledgeable sources. On the other hand, consumers have to be aware not only of the commercial aspect of sale and purchase of goods, but also of the health and security aspect. We, the students of Little Flower High School, request all to be aware of consumer rights and have knowledge about consumer courts. I hope you will take a right decision and make a right choice. I am a smart consumer. What about you? Jago Grahak Jago.
Hi everyone, my name is Angelina David Chinaka. We have moments that we want to remain forever, and for you to experience what we learn at Little Flower High School. The talents we touch showcase, the thoughtful ideas that we bring, and the treasure memories are now for all to see and cherish. Bringing to you our own YouTube channel, Little Flower High School, www.youtube.com. Now you can watch at anywhere and at any time. But do not forget to like, share and subscribe.